So I just met a brother from Rameshwaram.
You are walking? You like you walk?
Yeah, all India.
Give me your contact number.
Yeah, sure. This is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Memorial Museum. Where? He wants to take a photo with me, I think. Yeah. He wants to take my photo. The fisherman's boat. And a seagull. Where can I stop? Or where will I stop? Okay, I got some place. I got a place. The Arabian Sea. Mozza no, Era claro. The water is so clean. Wow. On my way to Pondicherry, but look at this paddy field, man. Huge. Hundreds and hundreds of acres here. Or maybe thousands of acres. And these are all just paddy field. Nice. I likes it. Tamil Nadu is insanely beautiful, man. It's beautiful. It's just like wow. It's beautiful. The road is A1, but it's really hot. Too hot. If it's not hot, my God, people will definitely come and settle here. It's very beautiful. So I just stopped by for a quick walk. But this base is amazing, man. The throttle response, the power delivery, it's amazing. I was just cruising around 80, 90 with the RPM between 4,000 to 5,000. Smooth as a butter, bro. This adventure motors like this Royal Enfield Himalayan is purely made for adventure, man. It's an amazing machine. And the service, wow, it's amazing. Every service station that I have been to, it's amazing. And hats off to Royal Enfield for this wonderful machine. And I hope Shotgun 6 also, Shotgun 650, I hope it does the same too, with a better performance. I want to try that. So I just stopped by to have a quick lunch, and I just stopped here, and then this gentleman, he offered me a free lunch and a bottle of water. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you. He didn't even take the money I offered him, but he said he won't take. Oh, what a blessing. Oh. Wow, I didn't expect that. I tried to pay for my food bill, but then he's like, no. We are brothers, it's okay. I won't take. Thank you, man, thank you. May God bless you. Wow, I have to stop here. Look at this. Beautiful. Tamil Nadu is beautiful, bro. So finally I have entered Pondicherry. Woohoo! Wait. So finally, this is the Pondicherry beach, but unfortunately I won't be holding here again for too long. But just came to show you guys that this is Pondicherry beach. Finally made it in Pondicherry. It's so peaceful. There are less people around. See you guys tomorrow.